Ohio and Georgia. Ohio and Georgia pick 4 players. I'm gonna recap the drawings for Ohio and Georgia pick 4 from the 14th. Um, as I said before, anytime you get to a month, you want to look for the highlighted days, aka what you know as the holidays. I call them the highlighted days. Presently speaking, today being the 15th, we are 10 days from the next highlighted day. So for Georgia and Ohio, and I'm gonna show you why I'm saying Georgia and Ohio. Georgia and Ohio, number language wise, got similar drawings yesterday, similar numbers. First off, congratulations to everybody that caught the 0202 in reverse. That's saying 2020. I spoke before saying that number wise, when we move into the year 2025, you know, in your number lingo, flip a number, you add or you subtract 3. To mirror a number, you add or you subtract 5. If I'm going in the year 2025, 5 minus 5 is 0. I'm really going in the year 2020. Okay. So, world-wise, you know, go through some of my content to see what I got the meaning when I get to talking about this specifically. Because, you know, of course, before the 20, a year before the 20, you got 19, COVID. Okay. So I'm gonna recap Ohio and Georgia, pick 4. 10 days from one of the highlighted days. Okay. Ohio, Georgia, 12/15. Ohio's number midday was 0226, followed by 0202. Georgia's evening draw. That's Ohio mid eve. This is Georgia eve and night. 6070 8714. Now the reason that I want to compare these two states, aside from them being neighboring states, is because from Ohio mid and evening to Georgia evening night, which is kind of the same because Georgia has an additional drawing than Ohio. Georgia got a midday, evening, and night. But the last 2 draws for each state on the 15th were these numbers right here. These numbers right here are all saying the same. All saying the same. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run down these numbers, and when I get done, the rundown is gonna be good for Ohio and Georgia. I'm sorry, this is the 15th drawings, 14th drawings. I mean, we working from the 15th. 10 days from next highlighted day being the 25th. When I get done, I'm gonna run down these numbers to where something that I write down should hit Ohio and Georgia. Because like I said, these numbers are the same. I'm about to show you why, starting with the 0226, 6070, 0226, 6070. How is that number the same? How is that number the same? First off, let me cancel out my zeros. Let me cancel out my zeros, because zero ain't a number. I got a 6 and a 7 remaining. I got a 2, a 2, and a 6 remaining. Those are my remaining numbers. Well, I know a 6 equals a 6. And I got 2, 2, and 7. 2, 2, and 7. How is 2, 2, and 7 the same? Well, I know mirror and flip, two of my rules. Mirror, add or subtract 5. Flip, add or subtract 3. If I mirror these twos, 2, 2, 2 plus 5 is 7. That's the same number. 0226 is 6072. That's the same number. Next, 0202 8714. Got two zeros and I got a 7. Here's my rules. Start from the 7, it's the highest. 7 minus, where we at? I'm either flipping, I'm either mirroring, I'm flipping. So I'm either doing something from 7 with a 5 or a 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 3, or 7 plus 3 is 10. 0 is 10. My one already over there. 0 is 10. It doesn't have a value, but it stands for 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. Got 2 and 2 left. I got 814. Let's add those together. 8 plus 5 is 12. 8 plus 5 is 12. Got a 2 over there. Got a 2 left. 2. Half of 4. 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 divided by 8 is 4. N numbers. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay? So all those are the same. Both states got the same numbers. So from there, I need to figure out where to go. Where do I go from there? Well, I can either, because all I really got to do is I got to work off one state's draws. That's going to give me a rundown for both. I can either go whichever state has the two highest sums or whichever state has the two lowest sums. I got to know what the numbers equal though. 0, 2, 2, 6. 0, 2, 0, 2. 6, 0, 7, 0, 8, 7, 1, 4. 0, 2, 2, 6. It's saying 4 plus 6 being 10. Or 20 and 26. 20, 22, 26. 20 or 2, 2, 22, 26. We're gonna work off Ohio's then because Ohio got the highest ones. That's what all that's saying. This one saying 2, 20, 22. Or 4. Cover them zeros up. 4. So it's saying 4, 2, 20, 22. Georgia's easy because all I'm doing is the 6 and the 7. That's saying 13. 7 and 5. Saying 12 right there. And 8. 12 and 8. 12. 7 plus 1 plus 4. 12. 8. 6. 7. Let's put them together now. See what's identical. 102. 12. 12. This is how I'm going to get my pairs for my rundown. 12 is 1. right here on this 13. Right here on this 13. No, I can't do nothing with that 13. 13 is 6 and the 7 is 13. Or I can finesse right here. Let's finesse this pair with this pair. Because 2 and 2 is 4. 3 and 1 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. I can finesse this pair. How I finesse that pair? I can make this pair instead of 2, 2, 3, 3. I could really make it 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. I can make a 3, 3, 3 pair out of that. So my 12 is 1, 2, 0. Then I got 3, 3, 3 to work off of. Sorry, that's crazy. Because with the 3, 3, 3, 3 plus 3 is hitting that 6. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equaling 9. Skipping over from the 8. 3's. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. I got 2 pairs to bust down. 1, 2x, 1, 2, 0x, 3, 3, 3x. I gotta bust down my end numbers though to extend my pairs. So let's do that. Because I already just simplified. Because when I get done, I already done simplified it because of the numbers being the same. So one can hit Ohio first, and then Georgia. One can hit Georgia first, then Ohio. Just because Georgia got more draws, don't mean that Georgia could hit before Ohio. One, 2, 0, 3, 3, 3. Those are my 2 master pairs for Ohio and Georgia. One, 2, 0, 3, 3, 3. And it ain't gonna be as simple as just running the pair 1, 2, 0x. I gotta break down the end numbers. 0 is a 3. I already got a 3, so I need to keep flipping. Go to a 6. So this can be 1, 2, 0 or 1, 2, 3. 3, 3, 3. Flipping up will make that 3, 3, 6. Or flipping down will make it 3, 3, 0. Or I could flip both these and just make a 3, 0, 0. Let's flip both of them since it's 2 of them. Make it 3, 0, 0. Now I can work out my pairs. So got 4 pair boxes. 4 fare boxes. I don't need to run the whole pair because I know a 0 flips to a 3 flips to a 6 flips to a 9 can also flip to a 1. Why? Because if I flip it backwards, it's a 6 and the 6 mirrors a 1. That's all what a 0 can bring. So since I got a 0 right here, I'm filling it in with 0, 3, 6, 9, 1. 0, 3, 6, 9, 1. Hold on, well, I gotta make another row right here. 1, 2, 0, 3, 6, 9, 1. Going forwards, since I already got my 3 right here. 6, 9, 1. I keep going. A 1 is a 4. 0, starting with 3. 3, starting with 3, going to 6. Making them all 4 rows, all 5 rows. I'm gonna give you 5 rows for each, so I'm gonna just keep flipping until I get there. Flipping is adding 3. Hope somebody gonna be happy if them come. I think them about to come then because I can't even write them down. I don't know what that was just about. Okay. So Ohio and Georgia. This is what I'm seeing. 10 days. from the next highlighted day. Ohio and Georgia. This is good from the 15th to the 21st. Okay. Pick you a box. For the 14th draws, Ohio 0226, 0202, Georgia 6070, 8714. Same numbers. Number lingo, same numbers. So I broke them down into where I could pull two pairs. And we break down the pairs from there. 4 boxes, A, B, C, or D. Ohio and Georgia, this is good for both states. This will hit both states. This sheet will hit both states. So grab you a box. Good from the 15th through the 21st for both states. Ohio and Georgia pick 4 players. That's all I got right now, y'all. Like the video. We'll talk about it later.